Hey, part two. Today we're going to be reviewing the ending of Tongo. And just a reminder, if you're using your music at home, remember we said this song was just a little bit too long that we weren't able to finish, but a great stopping point is if you go to page 10 and after the first line you draw two double lines saying that's where we are done. So just make sure if you're having music at home that you have those lines in and you know where we are. So remember last time we learned this new Tongo rhythm and with new notes. So you're right here. Okay, and let me go ahead and draw that in for you so you can see that that's where you are. You have Tongo, Tongo. So it goes back to the same note. You're singing so mi, Tongo, Tongo. Can you try that? One, two, here you go. Tongo, Tongo. That last ton is kind of long. Tongo, Tongo. Then we come down to the next line and we do it again. Tongo, Tongo. Okay? So we do it twice. Let's do it 2 times in a row. 1, 2, 2 times. Here we go. Tongo, Tongo. Tongo, Tongo. Part 1's gonna sing Malekala. You sing Malekala. We know that, right? So let's see if we can sing all that together with the 2 tongos and then the maleka. 1, 2, you sing. Tongo, Tongo. Tongo, Tongo. Malekala. And that's where we're going to end. All right, so let's see if we can go ahead and sing this from the beginning, okay? Now, what's hard is you just need to make sure you remember what's coming next. The good thing is you're the echo, so you can listen and hear what the other part's singing first in case you forget. Remember, you have 2 tongos and then you become the echo tongo. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, here we go. Tongo. Tongo, 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 chimney bye bye, chimney bye bye, Tongo, Tongo, umbate kimbayo, Tongo, Tongo, ready? They start. Tongo, 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 chimney bye bye, chimney bye bye, umbate kimbayo, uale, male callaway, Tongo, 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 Tongo. All right, I think the trickiest part for me is remembering that after I sing up here, Malekala, Tongo, Tongo, remembering that we're going into that new section, right? That's sometimes tricky for me to remember. So, 6th graders, remember, you can choose whichever song you feel more comfortable with to sing for your final recording assignment, okay, guys? So either this or Pure Imagination, and that will be ready for you to go on Wednesday and Thursday. All right, guys, thank you for singing. Bye.